Hi guys, so this is a tutorial for bedrock players on how to play the Backrooms mod. So you're gonna get prepared. But if you're not prepared, you do not hit the mobs without faces. That transports you to the Backrooms. And I'm not gonna do any spoilers. If you wanna do spoilers, then read the guidebook, because if you're going to make spoilers or minor spoilers, then they will show the spoilers. Two more mutton, and we need materials. But do not sleep in the back rooms. So you'll probably go to the back room soon. So there's no bother of building a house unless you would try not to go in the back rooms. Which I understand why people would be doing that. Because obviously, we're trying to get into that, no. Can I have an orbital ray gun mod? Oh, the guidebook's over here. It costs yellow dye and a book. I have no idea why it could have just costed dirt. So get a crafting table and some sticks. Make sure it's low sticks. Like 60, so you get the full set. No, I thought that get a shovel, because if you want to go mining, there's a really high chance that when you go mining, there's dirt in it, in between the mines area, and it's a pain to mine it. So that's why I get a shovel. These no inspiring words. Oh my god, why do I keep saying my little cousin's name? CBGBDs. Inspiring words. 1, 2, 3, 4. No wonder that's how in my life actually learned. If you want to build a house at the back rooms, yeah. So you see, this is a faceless mob. Oh, there's another pig up there. But hit the other will be transported. No, I'm clearly not ready. I wish I had the cursor. So if I'm playing a gun mod, I could actually aim the gun. No. Ma! Shut up. I'm gonna get some stone utensils. I'm not going fully straight down. Imagine if we had to smelt it to get stone utensils. That would have been a pain. I spent my whole time mining, and now I have to smelt it with more cobblestone. And now I need to go more mining to get some coal. And then I have to smelt it and get more coal, because there isn't enough coal for all of the cobblestone. I think better not be listening to this. Better not. I wonder how I'm gonna get out. I might just get some more cobblestone on the way. I'll try to get out. I'm building another staircase. Can you stop glitching out, and can you become a normal shape? You're not acting like it. Oh, you see that? That's a glitch block. When you go in it, you'll get transported to the Backrooms. Can you shut up? Shut up. Why is it so laggy? I'm done. I'm mining you. You're too laggy. Why am I getting so high? Surely fixed it. One, two, three. And there's a thing called the scanner. To get you know, I'm ready, so we are in the Backrooms, baby. We are in it. We're in the Backrooms. There'll be entities here. I realize I don't have any armor. So yes, the villagers are hostile. Really hostile. They have no mercy. Ooh, an iron pick! And some iron helmet! Isn't that much to give me, but at least I got a helmet. If you hear more than this, then go in the closet because that's the bacteria. The bacteria is the main entity in here. So the iron pickaxe is useless in this world. You can mine some stuff. But yeah. Oh yeah. That's a smiler. Dude, I let you kill me. Why didn't you? I'll show you what the jump scare is for him. It isn't that big of a jump scare unless you first spot him. Yeah, he could be anywhere. So I'll let him kill me. It's just multiple of him. And then you get transported in this. Nice. It takes long to load. Now just run in this place. There's no mercy here. You just run. Run for your life. Literally. You'll die if you don't run. You'll get slain by Redacted, that's his name. I don't know why it's such an ugly name. I don't know why people are calling him Big Chungus. More like Big Menace. Wrong way. No, I mean like I went to the wrong area. Guy's probably right behind me, mate. I'm dead. Just run for my life. Oh my god, why did I go in that sleeper chair? I'm so dead. Yeah, I knew it. If you escape anyway, there will be... You'll get sent right back to the Backrooms. Oh no! So anyways, this is part 1. So yeah, bye.